Hindustan Urvarak Rasayan Limited. It is a joint venture of IOCL, NTPC, CIL, FCIL and HFCL. This is recruiting some of the vacancies, but one post, all of the vacancies are experienced, but one post which is which does not require any experience. So we will see what is that post in this video, but let's see the official site of HURL. This is the official site of HURL, and this is the careers page. As you can see here, this is the advertisement for the recruitment of executives. This is the advertisement number, and if you just click here, you will be directed to apply online. We will see at the end of this video how to apply and what are the requisite things. Official site, you can download this official notification. The post which does not require any experience is number 19, the position. These are all experience based things, vice president, but number 19, as you can see here, for the post of marketing, the position is marketing officer. There are 31 vacancies. The vacancies are 31. The educational qualifications is BSc Agriculture with MSc in Agriculture with minimum of 60% or bachelor degree, that is BTech in any discipline. As you can see here, bachelor degree in any discipline is required. So all branches, those who have done their bachelor degree, that is BTech in any discipline with minimum of 60%, are eligible to apply for this post of marketing or marketing officer. And the upper age criteria is 30 years, and experience there is nil. That means there is no need of any experience. And also those who have completed their MBA and PG DBM, that is postgraduate diploma in management marketing, so with a minimum of 60%, can also apply for this post, that is marketing officer. So this is the vacancy which has have intakes for the freshers, that is less than 30 years and no experience is needed. So this is now let's see what is the requisite things and how the online exam or interview will be this way. So the shortlisting criteria, this is the selection procedure. For selection of engineers, a level position requiring minimum 2 years experience or less will be basis on personal interview only, and personal interview followed by group discussion and relevant job experience. So the selection procedure is based on personal interview, group discussion, and personal interview and group discussion may be conducted through video conferencing. So it might be online through video conferencing or online mode. In addition, for the selection for the fresher, selection test shall also form a part of recruitment process. So they have said that if there are more number of applicants, they may even conduct a test for all the applicants. So this is the selection procedure. So selection for all the other posts will be based on experience, but if in case there might be a test they will be conducting for this post. And also online psychometric test will also be conducted, assessment after the interview, prior to interview. So psychometric test will also be conducted. So the remuneration for the officer or engineer will be 8.5 lakhs annual CTC. This is the average annual CTC. So the CTC is also very good, 8.5 lakhs with 5% increment. And you need to apply through online mode, and you need to, this is, if you just click on here, click here to apply, you'll be directed to this page, and you need to click on new to HURL. If you just click here, so this is the way you need to apply online. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you. Have a great day.